If you are struggling with lower back pain, I'm going to show you 3 low back strength exercises that you can do at home to bulletproof your back. My name is Dr. Grant Elliott, founder of RehabFix, and we have helped thousands of people around the world fully recover from low back pain, disc herniation, and sciatica. In this episode number 141 of the Low Back Pain Podcast, I'm going to show you how you can bulletproof your lower back without any equipment at home so that you can start to get some relief today. Real quick, if you have not joined my private Facebook group yet, you need to do so. It is called RehabFix Low Back Program. And immediately upon joining, you will receive our free step-by-step sciatica guide. This is the same process that we have taken thousands of our clients through around the world to identify exactly how to fix their sciatica and ultimately become pain-free through a one-on-one coaching program. In this group, you will be able to see our clients and what they're doing for success and additional resources and more free guides. So if you're serious about fixing your back, you need to join this group, RehabFix Low Back Program. See you soon. Now I'm going to show you 3 exercises that you can do at home that will substitute for a lot of the things you see at the gym. A lot of people think you have to go to the gym to be able to use certain exercises or to get access to certain weights in order to make any progress. A lot of people, they see deadlift bars or back extensions or reverse hyperextensions or all these different things in the gym that they think is necessary to get a stronger back. And this can sometimes be an obstacle to certain individuals who struggle to build gym time into their routine or otherwise. And so what we do here at RehabFix is we actually help people build programs that they can do at home without any equipment needed most of the time and still get life-changing results that they usually haven't been able to achieve elsewhere. So I'm going to give you 3 exercises right now that are amazing that you don't need any equipment for, or at least very minimal equipment for. The first exercise is our bear kickback. You're going to get in a quadruped position, so on all fours with your hands under your shoulders, your knees under your hips. You're going to pick your knees up off the ground just a couple inches. So we are holding a bear position. This is actually a good core position. You're going to feel your quads, you're going to feel your core, you're going to feel your shoulders. And then while holding this position, you're going to extend one leg straight out at a time. And you're going to hold this for 2 to 3 seconds before alternating. What this is doing is this is one, stimulating the front of your body, your core, in a very optimal way, in my opinion. And you're also adding in a glute and spinal extensor component to it, meaning when you straighten that leg back, you're kicking the leg straight back, you're activating the glute, and you're activating the low back as a strengthening component. So this is hitting your core. Remember, your core comprises of front and back 360 around your abdomen, as well as your glutes. It's activating your entire core at the same time. This can be very difficult for certain individuals, but is a great movement that requires simply body weight that a lot of our clients have seen results with. Exercise number 2, this can actually mimic a reverse hyperextension. A lot of people have heard of the reverse hyperextension. A lot of people think it's the holy grail of back strengthening movements. And although it might have been for certain individuals, it is usually not for the majority. A lot of the times we need other more sophisticated movements to target the root issue in addition to strengthening movements. Typically, strengthening movements alone will not be the silver bullet. There needs to be additional movements to address the root cause of the pain, and then strength exercises to support on top of that. And that's what I'm providing you today. For this exercise, you're going to hug a bench or any substitute you might have. You could use an ottoman or any other variation. You're going to have your hips up, supported by a bench to some degree, a bench that you can firmly grip the sides and support your body. And then with your lower legs that are resting on the floor, you're going to simply straighten both legs straight out as to activate your glutes and your spinal erectors as well. So for those of you who are audio listeners, imagine I'm kneeling. I kneel over a bench or a table. I could use really anything that I can just lay my torso on and hug. And then both legs at a time, I'm going to straighten them out so that they are free floating, and I'm using nothing but my glutes and my lower back to keep my body straight in the air. In many studies, we see that the multifidus, a major spine stabilizing muscle, will become fatty in individuals with back pain who become deconditioned and sedentary. A key component to these individuals' recovery is ultimately getting strong over time and reconditioning their body so that they have strong muscles, strong spine, and all strong surrounding tissue. We do not want to become deconditioned as we have back pain. We need to once again address the root of the issue so that you can move without pain. And then when you can move without pain, you can get into these strengthening exercises to regain the muscle that you might have lost during your bout of back pain. And some of our clients are dealing with back pain for weeks, months, years, and they have not been able to perform many exercises or much activity at all. And so for them, this is crucial to eventually build up that strength that they are missing for long-term results. Hey, real quick, if you're watching this video and you're resonating with the things that I'm saying and you're ready to be pain-free, just click the link below and you can schedule a call personally with my team so we can meet with you, go over your current situation and figure out what you're missing and help you develop a game plan so that you can finally become pain-free. This is for serious people only, so click the link if you are ready to go. Back to the show. The third exercise is a good substitute for the typical back extension exercise that you see in the gym. A lot of people think they need this in order to strengthen their lower back, but it's not necessarily true. You can grab that same bench, once again, or an ottoman or a bench of any substitute, and you can actually lay flat on it, scoot your hips to the edge as if you're going to do a back extension, and then hook your legs or your feet under the bench to anchor your lower body. And now you can simply perform a back extension to the extent that you are capable. Of course, the closer you have your hips to the edge, the harder it is. You can choose how close you are to the edge. You can choose how far down or how far up you go. That is up to you. This could be a good substitute for traditional back extension exercises in the gym. So these are great ways to train those spinal erectors and glutes in every single one of these so that you can really start to build up that resilience and tolerance of your lower back, core, and glutes. So these are some great exercises that you can do without any equipment. It makes it super simple for you to accomplish this, but I want to be very clear. Low back strength is rarely the sole cause or sole solution for lower back pain. This is well documented that back strength or core strength is usually not the reason or the solution for back pain. Most back pain has a more specific issue that needs to be addressed first so that you can get moving pain-free. We need to get your pain gone so you can get full range of motion back, full ability back, and then get into these strengthening exercises. Out of the thousands of clients that we have helped become pain-free around the world, we've almost never started with just low back exercises, but yet so many people out there are probably searching for videos just like this, looking for the quick back strength exercise because they think they're weak and they think as soon as they strengthen their back, all their problems will go away. But it's just simply not true most of the time. There's usually a core issue that needs to be addressed first. So we resolve the root issue first, and then we build on top of that foundation. We start to then get you stronger on top of that so it lasts. So I encourage you, these exercises are great. These are great things you can do at home to get stronger and to feel better and to avoid the complications of feeling like you need to go to the gym or otherwise so that you can start to take control of your health. But these will likely not fix the typical low back issues, disc issues, sciatica issues alone. You need some more specific movements to address the root cause first and then build on top of it. So if you would like to learn what those exercises might be, the ones that can provide you immediate pain relief, the ones that have helped some of our clients get 30, 40, 60, 70% improvement in just one call, then we can show you and we can take you through a quick assessment, and you can book this just by using the link in the description box below. You can book an assessment with us. We'll evaluate your situation and we'll figure out what those initial steps are that you might be missing so that once you get through those steps, then you can start working on the strengthening movements and really become bulletproof again so that you can get out of pain for the rest of your life because you only have one life and you deserve to be pain-free and your family and your friends deserve to have you pain-free as well.
Once again, be sure to join my Facebook group, RehabFix Low Back Program, so you can get additional exclusive content and our free sciatica guide immediately upon joining. If you are watching this on YouTube, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you are listening on your favorite podcast platform, please leave a 5-star rating and review so we can grow this podcast and help reach more individuals who deserve to get results, who feel like they're spinning their tires and getting frustrated in doing so. As always, move more, move in nature, move in the sun. Thank you so much for listening and have a great day.